Hi, everybody. Okay, second half of HI. Remember, or H1, make sure you are testing these words at the end of the week because any phonograms that they're having trouble with, we need to review. If they have 6 or more, they definitely need a lot more work because they don't have any kind of mastery yet. So the phonograms are more important than the words, the sounds. They need to know the sounds. Okay, so this day is a little more complicated. And for one thing, there's only 1% of our words that really are rule breakers if you say them exactly the way you spell them, okay? So what word is a rule breaker? One, the word one, and that's why sight words are so important. The word one definitely breaks the rule, okay? And we're going to talk about that one. When you're one, you're all alone, right? You're a lone person. So that's going to help you with 2 of the words from our list today. Okay, we have an E, silent final E, making its 5th reason, which you guys can look up, and some also. So it is a silent E not covered by the first 4 reasons. It's called an odd job. We have 2 odd job words. So those are, in my opinion, a little more of a sight word situation where you're going to try to just keep on drilling those words to remember them, okay? And after a while, if you see it, you know it's right or wrong because your brain's telling you, I know that word. Okay, so we're going to go over our multi-letter phonograms again that we for sure should know. 2-letter A, they can end a word. 2-letter A, like in jaw, claw, and paw, they can end a word. No AU because U does not end a word. Ch, sh, E-A, ing, oo, uh-oh. We're going to use oo today. Oo. So the first sound. Ow, oh, ooh, Sh, like in national and vacation. Sh, like in social. Sh, like an occasion. 3-letter ch and R. Okay? So those are our multi-letter phonograms. I'm going to erase these words. When we start science this week, you're going to definitely use those spellings. Okay, so we did the first 10, now the second 10 for HI. And I'm going to show you how to do that uppercase H again. Need our dotted line. Okay. Go. H is trace back up. Okay. And we're still in H1, second part. And this is the time in our book that we need to start making sure that we have mastery, okay? Now, the first word is, we think of it as the reason why we have one, and it's the word lone, okay? I am the lone person here in my kitchen. I'm all alone. I'm alone. I'm one, okay? So it is one syllable, and it has 4 letters. One of them is silent. Ooh, you know what that is, right? Because O's making its 2nd sound. Lone, 4 letters, right? But only 3 sounds because this one is shh, not saying anything. It's just telling somebody what to do. Ready? I'm going to write it. You try it. I write it. And when yours looks like mine, then you can continue. Oh, this is Ackerman. I'm thinking about the word one. Sorry. Okay. One. O. O. E is making the O say a 2nd sound. Lone. Now, when we say that, lone, who sees the word one in there? Because one means lone. One. Lone. Okay, next word, we say it a little different because when I say alone. I'm all alone at home. But when we spell it, we say alone, okay? Alone, 2nd sound. alone. Ending a syllable or of a base word, so you don't need to do any marking, okay? Alone, 2 syllables, okay? It is 5 letters, but only 4 sounds. Or I mean, yeah, yes. So it's only, it's 5 phonograms, but only 4 sounds. So we have that silent final E again. It's just alone. So, alone. Lone is in alone, meaning 1. Lone means 1. When you're alone, it's 1. So you see the word 1 in alone and in lone. The lone wolf, alone. Okay, so it's making its second sound, the A, and the E again is telling the O to say his second sound, alone. All of it means 1. If you're lone, if you're alone, it's 1, O-N-E. Okay, now's our big word, 1. So think to spell 1 as lone and alone, even though we say it 1, W-O-N. We're going to think of it the same way. So we're going to write it the same way. So O-N-E, and we're going to think of it the same way as in lone and alone. Okay, oops, wrong arc. Now, if you're alone, if you're alone, you're only one person, a lone person, all meaning the same things. So we want to put a bracket around it, all meaning the same thing. And that's how we can remember the word 1. It's just like in lone and alone. Okay? Next word, 1 syllable, 4 letters, but only 3 phonograms. Food. Food. Don't eat food you took from the floor. Okay? And ooh-uh-oh, so it's making its first sound. You write it, and then when yours looks like mine, you can put it in your book. Food. Tag connector with those O's. Food. Okay? All right. Next word is something we're going to have to add to the back of the book too. Yikesies. Okay? It is 1 syllable. It is 4 letters, but only 4 letters, 4 phonograms, but only 3 sounds. And the word is 5. I've. Okay? What's telling the I to say its second sound? The silent final E. Okay, the word 5. You guys write it and then I'll write it. And then copy mine. I've. To make that I, so we don't want to have 5 fingers, we want 5 fingers. So we need to tell the I to say its second sound, 5. And we're going to add it to the back when we're done. Okay? 5. Okay. When we talk about the color red, everybody always said, oh, I see edita in it. It's actually not. We say red, not red. Okay, so it's ed. The ed is actually not edita in the word red or our next word, which is led, right? We led our friends to our party. Weird sentence. Led. Ed. 1 syllable, 3 sounds, 3 phonograms. Ed. It's not ed. It's ed. Okay, so it's not edita this time. Led. Okay, no markings because that is actually 3 letters, not 1 phonogram. Okay. Next word is year. 4 sounds, 1 syllable, year. I'm sorry, 3 sounds, but 4 letters. So it's y, e-a-a, year, okay? So we're using e-a-a, it's making its first sound, year, okay? Y, ear. And E-A is making its first sound. Okay. The abbreviation, just like in Mr. or Mrs. or Doctor, we have an abbreviation and it's just YR with a period. That's our abbreviation for it. Okay, next word has that fifth oddball E. Okay, it's doing its odd job. So it is 5 letters, but it is one syllable, ow, s, ow, s, and we have a silent final E doing its odd job. So how, making its first sound, ow, oh, ooh, ow, ooh, ooh, s, and then a silent final E, house. Okay, you try it, then I'll do it. Ow, s. Okay, making its first sound, ow, oh, ooh, but that E is doing its 5th job. Okay, it's an odd job because it's not covered by the first 4 reasons why we use the silent final E. Hope you can see that okay. House. Okay, next word's easy. It's way. 1 syllable, 3 letters, but only 2 phonograms. W-A. 2-letter A that can end a word. Okay, you try it. Then when yours looks like mine, you could put it in your book. W-A. We're going to underline our 2-letter A that can end no word. Okay. Last word has an oddball E. And it's kind of a thing to spell because we don't say, I have some friends. I have some friends. So it sounds like a U, but it's really an O. Okay, ready? 4 letters, but only 3 sounds. Okay, 4 phonograms, but only 3 sounds. So s, ah, and this is making it's a silent final E, making its 5th sound, or 5th reason, sorry. Som, sight word, it is a sight word. S, ah, okay, som, and this E is making its 5th, it's the odd job E. So we're gonna underline it twice. I'll write it on the back too. So I'll write it on, let me write it on a piece of paper so you guys can see. I ran out of space. Okay, so fifth reason for the S, odd job. Okay. All right. That's the last word, sorry. Okay, because we wrote the word 5, we need to add that to our multi-letter phonogram page. Okay. Oops. So I'm going to take a picture of this first. Okay, so at the back of your book, we're going to find our number page. It's P12. P12. And we're going to add right before 6, obviously right by 5. You have your lines. You 5 and 5th, right? So on the first line, you'll write 5. We just wrote it. I've, with the silent final E, making the I make a second sound. 5. And then for fifth, okay, 5 letters, fifth, but only 4 sounds. I, and then it's I, and the TNH is making its first sound. If, fifth. Okay, those 2 words go at the back of your book. Remember, the word year, the abbreviation for it is YR, year. Okay, make sure you guys are testing and have a great day.